Hi, and welcome back to the workbench. Apologize for the background noise. Pretty much every appliance in the workshop just kicked on all at once, but I only have a few minutes. Alright, so I won't bore you with taking off the heat plate again, but on the Prusa i3 Mark III, I ran into a problem with the Aegis Drylin bearings, mounted as they are with just the simple hoops that the Mark III comes with. The issue I ran into is that it doesn't actually apply the stress of the mounting bracket across the bearing bushing evenly, so it leaves a lot of slop on it, and it's kind of tough to show on camera, but let me see if I can get it. So it probably provides about, it's not bad really, it's probably only about a degree or so, but the problem is it developed a little bit of slop, and then I went to tighten them up to see if I could adjust for it as they currently are mounted. And unfortunately, you can't really. They're a little bit pinched in the center, and it just doesn't work. It's not really intended to. In their defense, it's not a problem with the bushing at all. It's just a problem with the way they're mounted, as I kind of surmised when I put them on originally. So I'll be taking those off, putting a standard bearing back on for the moment, which I'm curious. I'll actually check. I probably won't put it up, but I'll check and see if they've got as much slop on the standard bearings, because they were rather rattly. I might have to reload those, in fact, with bolts just to get them up and working, or get a better bearing, or maybe one that's just reloadable, since I have a monster package of fairly good quality ball bearings to load those with. So the Aegis actually worked okay, and I think they will work okay. I don't think there's actually a problem with them, but you do want to put a proper mounting system on for them, and there's a few on Thingiverse I'll link to, and link them in the original article and the probably the Reddit post, so that anybody who's looking and notices those can find them as well. Probably one of the plastic ones will work okay. I might take a look at those in the future and see if they load up properly. I'll probably not do it on the printer live. I'll probably create a quick test example with a little linear rail or something that you can just move them on and check out. But so for now, I'd say the Aegis bearings work fine. Just, you really do want to load them up with something so that the pressure applies evenly across it, and it doesn't either have too much tension and grab, or too little tension and then provide you a lot of slop. And it'll probably be like a degree or so if they're loose enough to actually not cause a problem with those hoops. So yeah, that's the experience with Aegis so far, and I'll probably have another follow-up on them later when I've got a little more information and I've got some parts printed out again once the printer's working. Alright, thanks for watching.